I don't know, did you?
Yeah, come here.
Oh, you're kidding me. It's stuck in the hole.
Yeah.
And she said that too.
I'll show you.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Look hard enough. It is in there, of course. You can't see anything. I'll just have to push it out. Something. Damn it.
So if you haven't guessed, Logan hit it through the hole and it got stuck in there.
Yeah, because I didn't hit it hard enough for it to go all the way through.
Hey Logan, you know why they call it golf?
Why?
Because all the other 4-letter words are taken.
Oh my god.
Hey, not bad. Good job.
That was funny.
I couldn't have planned that if I tried. But from here downtown Bakersfield at the Buena Vista
Museum of Natural
Science.
We'll redo that. Just that last bit.
Yeah, I know. So from here downtown Bakersfield at the Buena Vista Natural Museum. Fuck.
You want me to do it? Six. Oh, I'll get that. Give me 1 second. Here, hold that.
You got a pretty good distance there, boy. You got a pretty good distance there.
Yeah.
And this time you came down forwards.
Yep. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
What?
God, this is one of the worst movies I've ever seen. And then they made a book out of it.
From the Plaza Restaurant, this was good. I am Goose.
I am Logan.
We are Travel by Nature.
And there's a lost balloon.
Oh.
Where? I didn't see it. Oh.
Bye balloon.
Bye balloon.
No.
Going forever.
Space.
Wilson! Stick your tongue out. All the way out.
All right.
Oh.
I got brain freeze.
He laughs. He got a brain freeze.
I guess you call it laugh freeze.
Yeah. Your lips are even red.
Oh, and yeah, the pastrami sandwiches, they come with like little banana peppers.
Little peppers. I don't know if they're banana peppers.
I don't know what they are, but last time we tried them, and
I tried this.
boy, that was an experience.
There's an experience. Let's relive that experience right now. Oh God. These are not banana peppers. And I'm gonna need some salt. It's good. It's just hot.
So I figured since you decided to torture yourself, I figured we'll make it easy.
We're gonna join the party.
Yeah. Here goes.
Hot?
Yes, very much so.
Fries?
That was not a good idea. At all.
Get a little flavor.
I got a lot of I made the mistake of dipping it in the bottom of it. The entire bite was just sauce.
I think that's chili lime, right? I can taste chili. The lime line. You got the regular one, right?
Yeah, it has a bit of a kick, but it's really good. But it's just also not very overpowering.
What do you mean not overpowering? I'm really dying to overpower
No,
it.
he got the regular.
I didn't dip it in sauce. I just got the wing and put it in my mouth and was like, tasty.
Yeah. Okay.
The throne of love.
It only cost you $1.
I don't have $1.
Aw.
Gee, you get your glass of wine in the morning.
Actually,
That's the way to wake yourself up.
Okay, that one sounds more like you're going into the bathroom.
Baby's crying because it's raining.
I have too much fun.
We're for the heaviest man, Walter Hudson. What?
There's something cool I want to show you.
Hold on.
Damn, that's like fat. What's the heaviest man ever? Oh, it's guy.
5. Are you ready? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
That'd be crazy.
Hold on. Okay, it's a stalemate. All right, we got the idea now, right? We got the idea? Got the whole pound? That was great momentum, too. That was outstanding. See if we can do it again.